Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I finally have my Boxycharm and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. It's taken me a while because my Boxy didn't get here till after President's Day, and then I can only film usually on the weekends. So I've been waiting and waiting for that box. It was supposed to be here before, and then they had delays, and so I didn't get it. And then I thought I would also, before I get into this, update you. As you probably know if you've been watching, I hurt my back and shoulder in around Thanksgiving, and took a couple months to recover. Well, fun, I woke up this morning and I am in extreme pain again, which is just great. So it was a disc that I injured, and I think I've re-injured it. Not sure if I slept funny or if it's because I took a dance class, a ballet class 2 days ago, and my body is just like, no. I wasn't even trying to I was trying to be careful too. Anyway, so I am once again in pain, so if I am not as energetic as usual, it's because it hurts to move my head and my right arm. So anyway, Ipsy, let's go into this one first because it did come first. It's actually been sitting for weeks because it came really early, which was awesome. And you do get the little card that tells you everything that's in there, and then this is what the box looks like inside. So we're gonna pull out the first thing here. This is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush. This I probably won't use because I don't like foundation brushes, so I'm gonna put that in a future giveaway or give it to a friend. I'm not sure. It'll depend on if somebody is talking about it. This does retail for $48, so that is the first thing in there. The next thing in here is from Tony Moly. It says the Chalk Green Tea Watery Essence, and this retails for $27. This is what it looks like. So it contains 100% pure green tea ferment extract instead of distilled water. Interesting. So let's see, how do you use it? That's great. It says apply an appropriate amount to the skin along the skin's texture and pat your skin to enhance absorption. So that was not helpful at all. Let's see if Ipsy says something better. It doesn't say, so I guess it's like the first thing that I would do afterwards. I use it like I would a toner kind of thing. Except not on a pad. So that's the first thing. That's kind of, or the second thing, that's kind of interesting. Not sure how much I'll use that, but that's okay. The next thing in here is from Tarte. This is the Dream Big palette, and I love Tarte eyeshadows. Look at, you can see the colors. They look really pretty. So that is what it looks like. It is very shiny. And those are the colors in there. They look really pretty. I love colors like this. Those are some of my favorites. Well, that purple is not as pigmented. It can build up, so that's good. Woo! That was crazy. That is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I do love my Tarte palettes. I wear Tarte quite a bit, so that's nice. Next in here, oh, I forgot to tell you how much that one was. That one retails for $30. And then next we have a NYX Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. And it looks like it's sealed, so I'm gonna go grab some scissors. Oh my gosh, that took forever to open. That is what it looks like. Let's see, this is such a weird shade, this like yellowy one. Let's do that one, do the one underneath it. So that is what they look like. So there they are. That peachy one is very different. I wonder how it will perform on the cheeks. How I'll have to try this one out some more. And the packaging took me like 2 minutes to get open. It was ridiculous. That retails for $20. And then the final thing in here is from Finding Ferdinand. It is in the shade Knob Hill. And this is like the weirdest packaging. It's like the Lancome lipsticks that I have. So you press it to open it. And that's what the shade is. We'll swatch it. That is not quite as red as I thought it was going to be. So that's with several layers built up, but just one. That's what it looks like. It's pretty sheer. So that's interesting. I've never tried anything from Finding Ferdinand. I keep thinking about bowls because of Ferdinand the Bull though. So that was my Ipsy Glam Bake Plus, but let's open up Boxy and see how they compared this month. They always have a little card as well. Well, it doesn't tell you quite as much as Ipsy's does. And then this is what the box looks like. The first thing in here is something I'm passing along to a friend. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is her favorite mascara. I hate this mascara. It flakes like crazy. It doesn't last on me whatsoever. So as soon as I get something from them, I always pass it along to her. The next thing in here is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer, and I've tried a sample of this before. The mascara retails for $24, by the way. This retails for $18. I got a tester of this. Sorry, my hair is bothering me, but I can't move my neck that much. So I tested this out at Sephora, and I really did like this. This is a pretty good one. It is kind of slippery. It's not like the same as like the Smashbox or Benefits Professional. It's weird. It's very different than any other primer that I own. Next in here is from Grande Lips. This is a Hydra Plump liquid lipstick in the shade River Clay. And if it's this color, that is not a cool color for me. So I'm not gonna, yeah. That's not a color I'm going to use. I like something that's a little bit more peachy. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. This does sting quite a bit. I have a different color of this in a sample size that I got in Sephora Play. So I do like it. Like, it's beautiful and it lasts really well, but it does sting really bad as it's going on. That retails, by the way, for $25. This I am so excited about. This is Pretty Vulgar. This is the Shimmering Swan Glow Up. So I'm assuming it's a highlighter. That is what it looks like. And I have wanted to get some Pretty Vulgar stuff since it came out at Sephora, but I never did because it was so expensive. And we've gotten so many things. We've gotten a highlighter, we've gotten a blush, we got the eyeliner, we got an eyeshadow palette. That's it right there. It's really pretty. So I feel really lucky that I've been able to get all of these because it's slightly discounted, because this normally retails for $32. So this box is $21. The other box, Ipsy, is $25. So it's really good that, you know, I would have paid $30 for that highlighter because I wanted the packaging and I wanted to try it. So I get all these other things, which I don't mind if I have to pass along something to a friend. And then it looks like I got 2 sets of these. This is exclusively for Boxycharm. Tula Probiotic Skincare Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. And they're in a little zip thing, which is kind of nice because actually I will reuse this and put like samples in this for friends because it's a zipper. Ooh, they are very holographic. So it has pure probiotics and fermented birch water. All right, so it looks like they're all the same. I will put them in my ever-growing thing of these expire in over a year from now, so that's my camera keeps like doing crazy things. Anyway, these expire over a year from now, so there's time to use them up, which is nice. So I'll put them in my ever growing, and then if I don't like them, I'll put some in my, or I think other people might enjoy them, I might share some of them because I don't really need 4 sheet masks. That's quite a lot. These retail for $24. I don't know if that's 24 per pack or 24 for both together. So it's either $6 per sheet mask or 12. I guess it's probably 6. That makes more sense for a sheet mask. Anyway, those are my Boxycharm and Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, let me know what you thought of these 2 boxes. Did you get the same things that I did? Did you get different things? Are you still sticking with Ipsy instead of Ipsy Glam bag plus? Why? Let me know down below. I love reading your comments and responding. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.